Hello, friends. I hope you are well. As I mentioned in an announcement, there is a company that is willing to help in these hard times to help us keep reading and growing our mind. Using this platform, Saul from 6th grade said when testing and using this resource, "Wow, this is awesome. I was getting bored from a book I didn't even like." One mom even gave me a nice fist pump from her car as she was picking up lunches and some books when I told her what was coming. But first, I want to say a big thank you to MackinVia. MackinVia is a company from which our library has purchased books from in the past. Now, MackinVia has offered over 4,000 books for you to be able to read and check out online. And guess what? It's free. And better yet, they have allowed for multiple users to be reading and checking out the same book. There are two ways for you to get to this website and use it. Either by your teacher sending you a link through the email or Google Classroom, or if you lose that, using this video. If you recall, in our library, we always strived to help you to be independent, to work alone. And what a time it is to be able to put to good use those skills. So, let's get started. Unfortunately, it's not on Clever, but from the Clever page, you can go to the address bar as you see here. Click on it. You will have to erase what is already on the address bar. Then you type smbsd.org. Then you press enter on your keyboard. It will take you to the Santa Maria Bonita School District homepage. If you notice on the top right corner where it says school, please tap on that. Once you tap on this, you will get a list of all the schools in the district. Find Arellanes Elementary School and click there. This will take you to our home school page. Top right, you will see where it says students. Click there. Then this list will come out and click where it's already highlighted, library. From the library page, on the right side where it says resources, go to where it says MackinVia and click there. This will take you to the login. Use your school email to log in with Google. And we're here, MackinVia Arellanes Elementary School. Let's see how you can read a book. For example, Mystery of the Secret Room. By clicking on there, you'll get two options, Open Now or Check Out. Let's go for Open Now. It takes you straight to the book. And you see three options on the bottom of the screen. The first icon is for you to play the audio of the book. The other icon is for you to see one page or two pages at a time. And the letters is for you to fix the size of the letters that you are seeing. On the top left is your menu icon. By pressing on this menu, it gives you these options. For example, closing the book. Let's close the book now to return back to the home page. Now, how can I see what books I have checked out? Well, on the top right, where it says Welcome Caesar and a circle green icon, you'll have something similar. It'll say Welcome, your name, and a green backpack. Click on here. Then a list comes out. And let's go to Checkouts so you can see them. And it will show you all the checkouts that you have. Don't forget, to know the lexile of a book, you can go to fab.lexile.com. To know if a book has an AR quiz, go to arbookfind.com. You can find these links in the school library page that we saw earlier in this video. I hope you enjoyed this resource and happy reading. Stay safe, stay 6 feet away, keep reading, keep exercising your mind, and remember to be kind to everyone and yourself. Ciao.